People were talking about this morning.
Screws aren't needed.
Wait, what? Hold on. I need some context. Is this his Starforge PC? Why is he opening it up? This is his Starforge PC. What is he doing? Is he back home? Okay, he's back home. He got a Starforge in the mail. He's looking good in the Momentum Ori t-shirt. Hype. Sitting on the floor. He's on a carpet. Okay. Oh, he had to install the 5090. It came with a 4090. Got it. Okay. So they shipped the 49. They shipped the PC with a 4090, and he has to swap it to a 5090. Okay, because you definitely need a 5090 for Classic WoW. Okay, let's keep.
All right, where would the GPU plug in here?
He's rage baiting. There's no way that's real.
If we're looking at this, where would it exactly? Where does it even go?
He doesn't know where to stick it in. He literally like opened it up. He's ready to go. Everything is dialed and he doesn't know where to stick it in. It's like, dude. You've never looked into this? Like, this is crazy. I don't know what else to say, man. Bro, my guy's been playing games professionally on the computer for what, like 10 plus years. No idea what the inside of a computer even looks like. Dude. I want to see more. What, like...
Even go. PCI slot.
Oh, is there no graphics card in there at all? It's kind of hard to tell from up here. So they shipped it without a GPU at all because he got the 5090. So he doesn't even have to take out the 4090. Okay, well, I guess it's a little more confusing if you don't build computers. It's easier almost to take out the old one and replace it with the new one because you can see how the old one came out, so you know how to put in the new one. But if you didn't know where to take the old one out, it's like, okay, let's figure out exactly what slots. Yo, Cobsy, thanks for that tier 1, man. Happy Monday, man.
I'm not even sure where it plugs in. I couldn't even tell you.
Okay, I don't know if I'm fried or if Pika's fried here, but I would put the PC like flat on its back. Because if you're gonna stick in the graphics card from this angle, you're just gonna like push the computer over. I would definitely like lay it down so you could like get a nice angle and like push it down from the top down. Yeah. Yeah, carpet is a little troll. Although I have worked on my computer on carpet before, but yeah, carpet with static, right? It's like not a good thing.